Encapsulate HLOOKUP or horizontal lookup. HLOOKUP is an Excel function used to search for a value in the first row of a table and return a corresponding value from a specified row below it. It is similar to VLOOKUP or vertical lookup, but instead of searching vertically in a column, it searches horizontally in a row. So let us explain or discuss each parameter. So first is the lookup value. In this case, we have P103, or as alternative, we can use the absolute cell reference cell D16. So lookup value is the value you're searching for in the first row of the table. Then the second parameter is the table array. So in this case, we have absolute cell reference A16 to D19. So this is the range of data containing the lookup row and return row. Then next is 2, the value 2, this refers to the row index num, the row number starting from 1 for the top row from which to return the value. Then the last parameter, either true or false. So in this case, we'll be using false. So as alternative, you can use 0. So this is the range lookup. So false, exact match, or true, false or 0, or true or 1, approximate match. Like VLOOKUP, so horizontal lookup has limitations as well. It, on, it only looks left to right and cannot search beyond the first row. But as an alternative, you can use the X lookup for newer Excel version. This is more flexible alternative. Let us now discuss the formula with example of the functions index and match and the combination of these two functions. Again, index returns the value of a cell in a table based on row and column numbers, while match returns the relative position of a value within a range. And you can actually combine these two formula. So index match combination is a very powerful alternative to VLOOKUP or vertical lookup. It allows you to look up values based on a criteria from any column rather than being limited to searching from left to right like VLOOKUP.